Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive using the Microsoft Media Creation tool. So let's start. First of all, you need to download the Windows Media Creation tool. Go to the following website, microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 11, and here you can find that create Windows 11 installation media. You need to download that tool. I have already downloaded it. So once downloaded, you need to install it. This will take few seconds. So you need to accept the license terms. Click accept. If you want to change the language, just uncheck this option and then select a different language. So once done, click next. And there are two options. If you want to create a bootable USB drive, then you need to select that USB flash drive option. And if you want to burn a DVD, then you need to create an ISO file and burn it later using a DVD burner software. I'll show you how to create a USB flash drive. So select that option. Then your flash drive should be at least 8 GB, and make sure you don't have anything important on it, because it's gonna format it and you lose everything from the USB. Select the USB flash drive option, click next, and here you can see I have already plugged in a USB flash drive. So select that drive, click next. It will start downloading the Windows 11 files, and it will take some time. It depends on your internet speed. You have to wait for it. So once the USB flash drive is ready, you will see a window like this. As you can see, it's saying your USB flash drive is ready. You can check it from the Windows Explorer. There you can see in this PC, the ESD USB G drive is ready. And you can use that bootable USB multiple times to install Windows 11 on different PCs. Just click the finish button, and this will delete all the temp file that the creation tool used to download and create the USB flash drive. So that's it guys. This is how you can create a bootable installation media for Windows 11. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below, and please subscribe to my channel.